Good morning, students. Continuing our chapter number 6, The Junk Sailor. Students, please take out your book also. Take page number 65. So here on page 65, you can see how much will Dinu pay for. There is a rate list given in your book. You can see, you can check the rate list of Dinus. Kind of junk and price for 1 kg. For 1 kg newspaper, he pays rupees 6. For 1 kg iron, he pays rupees 14. For 1 kg brass, he pays rupees 180. And for plastic, rupees 12 for 1 kg. And for waste paper, he pays rupees 4.50. That means rupees 4 and 50 paise. So this is the rate list of Dinu. So here Kiran, she took waste materials from different junk collectors and she used to pay it to Dinu. So the question is, Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? So the question is, she bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10. वो कितने में लेती थी? रुपीज़ 10 में. And sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. और कितने में वो बेचती थी? रुपीज़ 12. So how much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? So here Kiran, she took 1 kg plastic from different junk collectors for rupees 10. She is taking the plastic for rupees 10 and she used to sell this waste plastic to Dinu's shop for rupees 12. So how much money does she earn for selling 1 kg plastic? So you can get the answer. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा question. How much money she earn? Yes, rupees 2. Okay, students, note down the questions in your notebook and solve it. Write statements and then solve it. Okay, you can write in this way. The cost of 1 kg of plastic that Kiran bought equal to rupees 10. She sold 1 kg of plastic for rupees 12. Hence, she earned rupees 12 minus rupees 10, that is equal to rupees 2. So, write in proper way, write all the statements and at last you will get the answer. Next. इसी क्वेश्चन का सेम क्वेश्चन का बी पार्ट. So how much money does she earn for 63 kg? 1 kg में she is earning rupees 2. So how much money does she earn for rupees 63? If she sells 63 kg plastic, how much money she earns? So here she earns rupees 2 for 1 kg of plastic. 1 kg plastic में she is earning rupees 2. For 63 kg of plastic, she earns rupees 2 into 63. So what the answer will? 63 into 2? Yes, it is rupees 126. Therefore, Kiran earns rupees 126 for 63 kg of plastic. You can do it? Okay. You have to do this sum in your notebook. Now student, in this slide, you can see, we can also calculate as follows. This method, you have to learn this method also. This method is known as grid method. Here we are breaking the number into its constituent values and then multiplying them step by step. This method is known as grid method. The grid method is a written method of multiplication that involves partitioning number into tens and ones before they are multiplied. Grid method का एक और नाम है box method. So here the number is breaking into its tens and ones. Horizontal way में लिखेंगे, horizontal column में लिखेंगे और हम इसको vertically column में लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमें इधर मल्टीप्लाई करना है 63 इंटू 2, तो 63 को हम ब्रेक करेंगे 60 एंड 3 में और 2 को हम वर्टिकल कॉलम में लिखेंगे. 63 में 60 को हम टेंस कॉलम में लिखेंगे हॉरिजॉन्टल कॉलम में, फिर 3 को हम लिखेंगे वंस वाले कॉलम में हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में. 2 को हम लिखेंगे इन द वर्टिकल कॉलम. 60 इंटू 2 हो जाएगा 120. 3 इंटू 2 हो जाएगा 6. और लास्ट में व्हाट वी विल डू, 120 प्लस 6 को हम ऐड कर देंगे. द आंसर इज 126. सो बाय एडिंग द डिजिट इन लास्ट रो वी विल गेट 126. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. किरण सेल्स 32 kg आयरन. पहले उसने प्लास्टिक सेल किया दीनू को. नाउ शी सेल्स 32 kg आयरन. हाउ मच मनी विल दीनू पे फॉर 32 kg आयरन. अब दीनू के रेट लिस्ट में 1 kg आयरन कितने का है? यू कैन चेक इट. येस, इट इज ₹14. सो फॉर 1 kg आयरन ₹14. तो 32 kg आयरन कितना होगा? येस, इट इज 32 इंटू 14. So you can do in this way. Cost of 1 kg of iron is equal to ₹14. Hence, the cost of 32 kg iron equal to 14 into 32. This is your algorithm method. You can do it. आपका जो rough space दिया है notebook में, you can calculate 32 into 14. You will get the answer 448. The same thing we can do in the grid method also. अब यहाँ पर 32 को हमने ब्रेक करा है 30 and 2 और 14 को हमने ब्रेक किया है 10 and 4. हमने टेंस और वंस में ब्रेक कर दिया नंबर को. 32 को हमने लिखा हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रिड में, हॉरिजॉन्टल कॉलम में, और 14 को हमने लिखा वर्टिकल कॉलम में. एक को टेंस के कॉलम में लिखा, देन वंस के कॉलम में, फिर इधर भी हमने टेंस के कॉलम में लिखा 14 में से 10 को, और 4 को लिखा वंस के कॉलम में. अब 30 इंटू 10 कितना हो जाएगा? 300. फिर 10 इंटू 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 20. फिर 4 इंटू 30 कितना हो जाएगा? 120. 4 इंटू 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 8. और लास्ट में फाइनली ऐड द 4 आंसर्स टुगेदर टू गेट द फाइनल आंसर टू द ओरिजिनल सम. So by adding the bold numbers we can get the desired numbers. We can get the final answer of the original sum. So 300 plus 20 plus 120 plus 8. कितना आंसर हो गया? 448. Hence the money paid by Dinu for 32 kg of plastic is ₹448. दोनों मेथड आपको क्लियर हो गया. Either you can apply this method, grid method, or you can apply your algorithm method. You can do your sum by any method. Now next question, students. Kiran buys 1 kg iron for ₹12 but sell it for ₹14. How much does she earn when she sells 32 kg of iron? Now the next question. Kiran buys 1 kg iron for ₹12. 12 में वो लेती है and she sells it for ₹14, and she sells the 1 kg iron for ₹14. Same type of questions. She buys 1 kg iron from different junk collector for ₹12 and she sells it for ₹14 to Dinu shop. So how much does she earn when she sells 32 kg of iron? So now if she has to sell 32 kg, how much money she earn? She buys ₹12, sells ₹14. So 1 kg iron में उसको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? How much she earns for selling 1 kg iron? 14 minus 12 is equal to ₹2. So she earns on selling 32 kg 2 into 32. Okay students, you can do in this way. Money earned by Kiran by selling 1 kg of iron is equal to ₹14 minus 12 ₹2. मतलब 1 kg आयरन में उसको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? ₹2 का. अब उसके पास कितना kg आयरन है? 32 kg. तो मनी अर्न बाय हर बाय सेलिंग 32 kg ऑफ आयरन, दैट इज 2 इंटू 32 64. समझ में आया आपको? ओके, यू कैन डू इन द ग्रिड मेथड ऑल्सो. 32 को ब्रेक किया 30 and 2 और इंटू 2. 30 को पहले आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 60, देन 2 से 2 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 4. लास्टली यू कैन ऐड. By adding the numbers in last row, we can find the desired number. 60 plus 4 equal to 64. Therefore, by selling 32 kg of iron, Kiran earns ₹64. So, students, we have completed page number 65 and somewhat 2 questions are there in the page number 66. Means A part and B part we have completed. C part we will do in our next class. What you have to do? Yes, do these questions in your notebook. Try to solve it by yourself. If there is any doubt, you can look in the module. So, complete your work. Till our next class. We will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.